안녕하십니까, Umacair 신유진입니다. Hello, we are Umacair. In this presentation, we will introduce our drones and systems. 다음. Today's presentation consists of company overview, product description, and the mobile drone integrated control system. Umacair is a UAV specialist company providing drone development, manufacturing, and operational service. 다음. We are engaged in special purpose drone production, pilot training, technology research, and government project. 다음. We provide customized solutions to various clients, including government agencies, universities, and companies. 다음. Our major products include military rifle aiming drones, multi-purpose drone, and the mobile drone integrated control system. 다음. This is rifle aiming drone equipped with a K2 rifle and EOIR cameras. It achieves over 90% hit rate at 250 meters. It is made hexacopter type. Max takeoff weight 43 kg, max speed 80 km per hour, and up to 5 km range with antenna tracker. 다음. This is a real test with our military. Our product able to target identification, lock on, shooting, reshooting within 1 second, and over 90% hit rate at 250 meters in test. Our technology of gimbal is high precision gimbal control, and recoil absorption technology enables stable shooting even in flight. Our camera is EO camera, detects up to 2 kilometers, IR camera up to 520 meters, LRF up to 3 kilometers. This is our multi-purpose drone. It's made quadcopter, weight 9.7 kilogram, unlimited operation via LTE and 5G. More than 5,000 operations per year by the National Police Agency. 다음. It's feed-in EOIR cameras, AI detection, on-site 3D mapping, enable day and night search and reconnaissance. This vehicle is available for RF, LTE, 5G remote control, mobile situation room setup, and custom design. 다음. Umacair plans to collaborate with Korean and US drone companies to jointly develop advanced military drones and promote mutual technology transfer. This will strengthen the defense capabilities of both countries and enhance global market competitiveness. 다음. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.